Picture your body, a marvel of biological engineering. Imagine it as a vast and intricate network of highways, a complex system constantly working to keep everything running smoothly. Arteries, the superhighways carrying vital resources away from the heart. Veins, the return routes bringing back what's no longer needed. And capillaries, the tiny winding roads that reach every single cell. This circulatory system, this incredible infrastructure, stretches over 60,000 miles within you. It's a truly astounding feat of nature. This circulatory system tirelessly delivers life-giving oxygen and essential nutrients to every single cell in your body. Simultaneously, it efficiently removes waste products like carbon dioxide, ensuring a clean and healthy internal environment. Your heart, the tireless engine of this system, is the powerful pump that keeps it all going. It's constantly recycling the same 4 to 5 liters of blood, sending it on a continuous journey thousands of times a day, without ever stopping. Blood pressure is the critical force of blood pushing against the walls of your vessels, ensuring adequate flow throughout the entire network. It's what keeps this vital delivery system running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring everything gets where it needs to be. Without this constant and reliable flow, cells would quickly starve and cease to function properly, and harmful toxins would rapidly build up, poisoning the system and disrupting the delicate balance within. The heart's steady and rhythmic beat ensures that every single part of you gets exactly what it needs, every single moment of every single day. Therefore, understanding blood pressure is absolutely key to understanding how your body stays alive, healthy, and functioning at its best. When your blood pressure is measured by a healthcare professional or even at home with a personal device, you get two numbers presented as a ratio. These numbers are expressed as systolic over diastolic. They represent two key phases of your heart's function. Systolic is the peak pressure, representing the force exerted against your artery walls when your heart contracts, actively pushing blood out into your circulatory system. Diastolic is the pressure, indicating the pressure in your arteries when your heart relaxes between beats, refilling with blood. Healthy readings are usually below 120/80 millimeters of mercury, often written as 120/80 mmHg. These numbers reveal not only how hard your heart works with each pump, but also how flexible and resilient your arteries are in accommodating blood flow. Factors like dehydration or high salt intake, as well as stress and lack of exercise, can significantly raise your blood pressure. Keeping these numbers in check through lifestyle adjustments and regular monitoring helps your heart and vessels stay healthy and function optimally for years to come. It's a simple test, readily available at your doctor's office or even at home, but it tells a powerful story about your body's overall health and cardiovascular well-being. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a widespread health concern that affects millions globally. It's a condition where the force of your blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. This means your arteries are under constant strain, working harder than they should to circulate blood throughout your body. This added pressure can lead to a cascade of health problems if left unaddressed. Hypertension is typically defined as blood pressure readings consistently above 140/90 millimeters of mercury. Chronic stress with its constant release of stress hormones, poor diet, particularly one high in sodium and processed foods, and other lifestyle factors can keep your blood vessels constricted, reducing their ability to expand and contract as needed, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood through these narrowed pathways. Over time, this constant pressure and strain damages the delicate inner walls of your arteries, leading to tiny tears and injuries in the arterial lining. The body naturally tries to repair these damages, initiating a healing process. But fat, circulating in the bloodstream, and cholesterol can accumulate at these damaged sites, starting to build up, forming dangerous plaques that harden and thicken over time. This process, where plaques accumulate and harden in the arteries, is called atherosclerosis, which narrows arteries, restricting blood flow and raising blood pressure even more, creating a dangerous cycle. If a plaque becomes unstable and ruptures, it can trigger the formation of a blood clot at the site of the rupture, blocking blood flow to vital organs. This sudden blockage can trigger heart attacks, depriving the heart muscle of oxygen, or strokes, cutting off blood supply to the brain. These are life-threatening emergencies that require immediate medical attention. Hypertension is often called a silent threat or the silent killer because it often presents with no noticeable symptoms until serious and irreversible damage is already done. That's why regular monitoring and proactive management of your blood pressure is so incredibly important for maintaining long-term health and well-being. When arteries are blocked, quick action is vital. Procedures like angioplasty use tiny balloons to open clogged vessels, sometimes placing a stent to keep them open. These advances save lives and restore blood flow to the heart or brain. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day, never resting, always working. Taking care of your blood pressure protects this incredible organ. Healthy habits and regular checkups keep your circulatory system strong. Appreciate your heart's tireless work. It's the engine of your life. Understanding blood pressure is the first step to a healthier future.